Nail trims for any pet can be challenging, and trims for exotic pets can be especially tricky. Once you understand the basic principles of safe restraint and trimming itself, in many cases nail trims can be done quickly and simply at home. The size of your pet's nails will determine the size of clippers needed. Human-style nail clippers are great for ferrets and other small exotics. For slightly larger pets, cat nail trimmers are useful. For larger rabbits or other pets with thicker nails, you may need dog nail clippers. Nail trimming is easier with two people, one to gently restrain and the other to trim the nails. For smaller rabbits and guinea pigs, try holding your pet in the C position. One person holds the pet under the chest and behind the elbows while supporting the hind end with the other hand, keeping the pet close to you. This will reduce the likelihood of injury due to struggling and reduce the risk of a bite. The second person secures each foot and trims the nails. When trimming rabbits' hind feet, hold securely to prevent the rabbit from kicking. If the C position does not work well, some pets may feel more secure wrapped in a towel and placed on a table. During this type of restraint, each foot is extended either forward or back by the holder, one at a time from underneath the wrapped towel until all of the nails are trimmed. There are two options for ferrets. The first is simply scruffing, where you gently gather the extra neck skin behind the head and allow the body to relax in a suspended position. This is neither painful nor stressful, and most ferrets will yawn a bit. When one person is holding, the other isolates the foot and trims the nails. Another method for ferrets is to trim while distracting with a favorite treat spread on the tummy or on a spoon or tongue depressor. This may take some practice and training. Be sure to use non-sugary treats for distraction. When your pet is restrained and you're ready to trim the nails, it's important to know where to trim. Many rabbits, guinea pigs, and ferrets have white or light-colored nails, which is easier. However, some dark or black nails are more challenging. For white nails, first identify the pink vascular tissue or the quick. Cutting into the quick is uncomfortable and will cause bleeding. Always try to cut 2 to 3 millimeters beyond the quick. Pets who are not used to nail trims may struggle and flinch during the actual clipping. It may help if the clippers are gently clamped around the nail for 1 to 2 seconds prior to cutting. This may help prevent the pet from flinching or jumping, but will reduce the length of overall restraint time. Continue trimming the nails of each foot, being sure not to forget the shorter dew claw digit in rabbits. If your pet has black or darker nails, practicing on lighter nails can be helpful to give you an idea where the quick is naturally located. If another pet with lighter nails is not available, trimming the dark-colored nails back small amounts at a time every few weeks could be the safer route until you're comfortable with the location of the quick. At times, taking a break can be helpful during nail trims to decrease stress, but ideally, nail trims should be a quick process. For patients who are very stressed during handling, trimming nails on one foot every few days or per week may be a better option. Recommendations on when to trim are different for each pet and species and will depend on a number of factors. Nails that are obviously overgrown or curled or spiraling need trimming. Nails that are sharp and painful for owners should be trimmed as well. Ferrets' nails tend to grow more quickly than other species. In most rabbits, you should not easily see the end of the nail protruding beyond the fur of the foot. The exception is the Rex-coated rabbit with their ultra-short type of fur. If a pet's nails are too long and they break off, or if the clipper cuts through the quick and there is bleeding, don't be overly concerned. This is uncomfortable, but in a normal animal, the bleeding will typically stop on its own. You can speed the process by applying direct pressure with a towel for a few minutes. If the bleeding does not stop after several minutes, we recommend calling your veterinarian for assistance. After the nail trim is complete, remember to positively reward your pet with praise, a favorite toy, or a treat for a job well done.